So here's what the interior of my Fiat Abarth looks like before any cleaning. It is pretty nasty. You can't even see all of it on camera because the sun kind of makes it look a little bit better than it is. But yeah, it's pretty gross. This thing's gonna need a lot of work. Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the Simple Car Guy channel. In today's video, we're gonna deep cleaning the seats on my Fiat 500 Abarth using these tools. The first one's the Bissell spot cleaner. This is usually used for carpet cleaner, but I'm gonna use it on the interior of my car. The next two are carpet spot removers, so usually for different stains, the type of stuff like that. And we're gonna use a little brush to agitate the dirt out of the material in the car. Now, the reason I want to do that is because the interior of this car that I purchased at auction is pretty disgusting. So if we go in and take a look, you can see it's really nasty. Needs a lot of work. So I'm gonna try to get it looking, as new as possible. Honestly, it doesn't come out on camera nearly as bad as it is in real life. So hopefully get it nice, and it's gonna smell a little bit better too. Step 1 to deep cleaning your seats is spraying the Oxyclean carpet and area rug cleaner all over your seat. Don't be shy, put twice as much as you think you'll need. Leave it for 5 to 7 minutes to soak in and do its magic. Now I'm gonna mix 5 parts Folex carpet cleaner with 1 part warm water. The water should be warmer than 120, 130 degrees. Of course, if you're going to be doing a large interior, you may need a lot more cleaner than this. I'm going to do, small car, maybe 1 seat at a time, see how it works, and then I'll probably refill it if I need more. So it's been about 5 minutes since I sprayed the Oxyclean. I filled my vacuum with the solution. Now we can spray that solution all over the seat. Let's do that now. Perfect. The seat is now sprayed with the Oxyclean as well as the solution that we mixed up, the 5-to-1. Now all we have to do is kind of rub it into the seat. After you give it a little rub, grab a nice brush and go to town. This is the manual step, so you have to do it by hand. Get it nice and rubbed in, agitate all the dirt so it's gonna come up when you try to suck it up with the vacuum. Once you think you have sufficiently scrubbed the seat, it's time to vacuum up the water or the solution that's in the seat now. At this point, the seat is looking pretty good. As you can see, it's pretty clean, a lot better than it was before. However, if you look at the bottom part, there's still some stuff that definitely needs to be taken out for me to call it, deep cleaning and perfectly clean. If you look on this side, this one I've already done, there's nothing left. It looks perfectly clean. There's no stains. There's nothing that would, make you say, oh, that's a dirty seat. It looks much better than this one that we have already cleaned in a way. So now here comes the real magic. Since the seat's already soaked with all the chemicals and cleaning products, all you gotta do is take warm water. So I just took this out of a faucet, you know, the warmest setting you got. Should be around 120, 140 or so. I'm just gonna fill up the clean container with warm water and spray the entire seat. You'll see the result after. The last and the most important step is to soak the entire seat with water. It's gonna mix with the remaining cleaning supplies. You're gonna vacuum it out. You'll still see a lot of dirty water coming out. So that tells you you might wanna have to do it again. So you'll spray it again, vacuum it out again. Once you start seeing barely dirty water or mostly clean water, this is when you can stop. Or you can take a look and see if there are any remaining stains on the seat. If you're happy with the result, you're done. If you think it still needs a little bit of work, you just repeat this last step. And wow, look at this car now. I mean, these seats look so much better. Look at it, guys. There's no stains. They're all clean. They smell good. It doesn't smell like, you know, dirty type of stuff anymore. I mean, I love it. I mean, of course, it took me about an hour to do all of this, but man, this is so good. You would normally pay probably 150 bucks just to get, you know, your interior clean like this. The only step that's left now is to let it dry. I do have a little bit of sun left, so I'm gonna go park the car over there. With the doors or windows open, let it dry out as much as possible, and then I'm gonna put it in the garage for the night. Not gonna drive it today. You want to leave it, maybe put a fan on it, you know, like a fan so it's blowing, kind of drying it up a little bit more. Maybe it would be a good idea to do this in the morning, maybe like 9-10 in the morning. That way you have all day in the sun for the car to dry up. I mean, in the meantime, you can maybe clean your carpets and do all the other stuff, you know, just make the car look good. I'll post the links to all of the products that I used in the description. You can also buy them locally, but you know, I like the convenience of getting it shipped to my house and all at once. Thank you guys so much for watching. Really hope you enjoyed the video. Give this Fiat a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, let me know what you think of the cleaning job I did. Let me know what you think of this car. I'll see you in the next one.